So from my perspective of this conference, I think one of the most important things we have to understand is that from the bigger perspective for India, the objective of universal health coverage for the people, patient outcome and safety is one of the most critical things which are required. And conferences like these bring all the players together to make sure that everybody has a synergy to ensure that the patients of India will get the best outcomes in the safest manner possible. And from another perspective of how IT can be leveraged, I think IT is a great tool, especially in India, since our resources sometimes are skewed towards maybe urban areas, and sometimes our resources are not enough as per the requirement of the country in terms of infrastructure, in terms of manpower, human capital. IT really helps us to leverage and bridge the gap. We can, you can use the data to predict, analyze and predict better outcomes. You can use data to monitor. You can use IT to deliver healthcare to far-flung areas. So there is a extremely important role of IT in improving efficiency and patient outcomes for the patients of the country. Some examples I can share with you on how companies like us are trying to work with the service providers, because the ultimate aim is to give the best patient outcome possible to the Indian population. So we have products and services which, for example, there are products and solutions meant for the administrators of the hospital, where they can analyze data and get better management and efficiency and productivity of the healthcare services being provided. We have products for the users, we have products for the decision makers, department heads, and these products can range from solutions in telemedicine. They can range from solutions, types of chemicals which protect, which prevent water wastage. They increase compliance to protocols, they reduce infections, and many things like that. There are some solutions in the IT space where you can use the data to do some grouping called DRG groupers and do some data analytics so that you can monitor the efficiency. And one of the other things which companies like us have been doing is a lot of focus on the education for customers, and of course in places like Apollo, but also in places which may not be as equipped as Apollo in terms of rural health places or tier 2 towns and smaller hospitals. For example, we've trained more than 100,000 people every year on some improving better outcome by some methodology. So those kind of initiatives we take, and we have our own centers across the country. We have our own labs to develop products for the India market. We have our own manufacturing to develop appropriate products for the Indian market. So all these steps, along with working jointly with the hospitals and service providers, we are trying to improve the healthcare outcomes of the country.